Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you are new, welcome back if you're not. If you are a lover of all things beauty, handbags, luxury, and fashion, you've come to the right place. My name is Cece and welcome. Go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of story time, but then we're going to get into my latest and greatest Hermes unboxing. Yes, after taking a no by January and February, which bled a little into March, I finally decided to go in and see my SA at Hermes. As some of you may or may not know, we are preparing for our upcoming trip. We will be traveling to Paris, and while I know that I can score some luxe goods in Paris, these are specific items that were a little too large for me to carry abroad and just pieces that I wanted to have prior to the trip. Now, I don't know for sure if I'll be bringing all of these items with me on my trip to Paris. Nonetheless, I think they are perfect staples for the spring and summer. If you are interested in spring or summer collection by any fashion house, whether it's Chanel, Hermes, Bottega, or otherwise, getting ahead of the season and shopping early will guarantee that you're able to secure the piece you're looking for. This was the case with these pieces because I know how popular they are and I know how quickly they can sell out. So I wanted to make sure I secured them prior to our trip to ensure that I had them. Whether I wear them on the trip or not, I will have them in my collection and be able to wear them throughout the spring and summer months. Now, when I did pop into the boutique, I did also stop at Chanel, where I picked up another goodie from their latest spring summer launch. If you haven't already seen that video, I will link it for you guys here. In that video, I showcased a new pair of pink ballerina flats that I purchased, and then the following day I went into the Neiman Marcus boutique and purchased another second pair of Chanel ballerina flats. For me, I just find that certain footwear and accessories really elevate the outfit. I don't spend a whole lot on clothing. I typically shop at H&M, Zara, Target, or otherwise. I don't spend a ton on ready to wear. I tend to invest more in accessories. It works for my budget, and I find that I can very easily mix high and low and just elevate my outfit by pairing it with certain luxury accessories, whether it's jewelry pieces, belts, shoes, handbags, or otherwise. All right, let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm not gonna make you guys wait. We're gonna jump right in. So I have these two beautiful large bags here from Hermes. These have been sitting patiently until I decided to sit down and film this video. But before we jump right into the unboxing, I did want to mention that today's video is sponsored by Zoomani as well as S.DEER. Both of them were kind enough to gift me a few items that I will be showcasing in today's video. Starting with Zoomani, they sent me this beautiful package from the Zoomani team. Thank you from our hearts to yours, which was really, really sweet. They make beautiful felt handbag organizers and bag inserts, which I will be wearing with my latest Margot 10. I do have a discount code with Zoomani. If you are interested in shopping, I will link that for you guys in the description box. But let's go ahead and open up what they gifted me. From the bottom of our heart, thank you for your order. We hope that you enjoy our creation as much as we have enjoyed making it for you. They also make luxurious silk organizers. So if you're interested in silk over felt, they offer both options. These are the pieces that they offered here. Any handbag lover knows you need to have a good handbag organizer. It helps to kind of maintain the structure of the bag, but also helps to keep your belongings organized, which I liked. They're like little felt pockets that you can use inside your bag. So if your bag already has like an insert, like a small little pocket insert, you can kind of pop these in to help maintain the integrity of the bag and make sure that it stays clean, and use the inserts instead. And they come in multiple different sizes, which is really nice. Look at that. So cool. They open up like so you can just pop them into your bag. I'm so thankful. I got one in purple, so cute, and then brown. And then this is the bag insert that I will plan to pop into my Margot 10, which I will film for you guys in a separate video. I think I'm overdue for a Margot 10 sort of bag review and update on wear and tear and if I'm still loving the bag. What I like about the felt and silk bag organizers is they're kind of mushy, so you can mold them to the size and shape of the bag. So as you're inserting it, you can kind of bend it like so it gets into the bag, and then once it's in the bag, it'll open up and kind of expand so that it helps maintain the integrity and bag shape. So I'm really looking forward to using this in my Margot. If you haven't already checked out Zoomani, I definitely recommend checking out their website and looking at all the different bag sizes and specific bag brands that they make inserts for. They now offer both felt and silk bag inserts, so go ahead and check them out on their website. I'll include the link along with my discount code down below so you do get a discount off of your purchase. I think it's 15% off. Of course, with our upcoming trip, I am going to start packing. We're a few weeks away, so I'm thinking about starting to pack early so I can kind of get it over and done with. I would love to incorporate some of the pieces that S.DEER sent me. If you haven't already checked out S.DEER, I'll link their website for you guys here. But they offer a wide range of different clothing styles. They do have some really unique pieces that you won't find anywhere else. They are cost effective and you can kind of play around and mix and match their different pieces. Once again, they are unique. Not every piece is going to be for everyone, but they do have some really great finds. I'm going to show you guys what I scored today. They do offer a wide range variety of different pieces, from dresses to coats, tops, pants, shirts, skirts, jeans. Here I got a couple of pieces. Let's start with the first one. Everything comes individually wrapped in plastic with a slide closer, which is nice. If you do plan on traveling, what I like about them is they do lay flat, so you can bring them with you on your trip and then just have it washed or dry cleaned wherever you land. So that'll keep kind of everything flat and compact within your luggage. So let's go ahead and open up first piece. Oh, this is, I can tell already, this is beautiful. You can see here it's a plain sort of solid shirt, but it's got the eyelet design and detail. And I really love white for spring and summer. I think it's just fresh and clean. Look at the detail, how beautiful that is. The sleeves are beautiful too. It's got a nice, like, silky smooth fabric. It's got a pretty little button detail there. It's almost like a pearlized type of button. And then on the back of the shirt, it buttons around the neck and then it has sort of a keyhole opening, which is a nice detail. I think this is going to pair really well with a beautiful skirt, jeans, or even pants. So I'm looking forward to wearing this. This is a beautiful color. The older I get, the more I'm gravitating towards colors. I always used to be a neutral girl and very much wearing black or white. And this is a beautiful cardigan. You can layer on top of a dress or a blouse. You can pair it with a skirt. You can wear it as sort of like a sweater blazer. And I love the button detail here because the button matches the sweater, so you don't have to worry about clashing or anything. It's kind of very understated and simple, and you can pair it with a nice chunky necklace or bracelet and bangles. I would envision this with gold and really have the jewelry pop and stand out because you don't have to compete with the buttons. The buttons are flush. That's also great for travel. Being in Paris in the spring, you'll want to have pieces you can layer. Oftentimes in April in Paris, it can be still cold and rainy and a little drizzly and gloomy, so it's nice to have pieces that I can kind of layer on top. And then the last piece, this is beautiful. A play on a long sleeve button down collared shirt. What I like about this is it's got a very light, airy material and fabric, but it's got this crisscross detail on the front, which would look really pretty with a pair of jeans or pants. Kind of cinches the waist a little bit, offering a nice little detail and silhouette. So I think this will be a beautiful piece that I can also bring with me to Paris. I think it's a versatile piece. Again, you can wear that over jeans or pants, and I think it'll look really nice. I would even wear it over a pair of shorts. I did size up a bit. Right now I am between a size small and a size medium, but I didn't want to risk it. I got a size medium. And without trying these on right now, they do seem like they might be a little bit big. Once again, thank you guys so much to both S.DEER and Zumani for sponsoring today's video. Really appreciate all of the lovely items you've gifted me. I hope you'll check them both out, and I'll include all of the details for you guys down below in the description box, including any discount codes and links that I have. Let's jump into the unboxing. I don't remember what's in each of these boxes because, again, I purchased these a few weeks back and they've been sitting in the shopping bags in my closet until I was able to sit down and film this video. Am I the only one that saves all of the ribbons and packaging and everything that comes along with it, the tissue paper, everything? I tend to put it back in the same box that I got it from. Actually, let me go ahead and open this with you guys. I think I know what's in here. The Elda sandals. This is Hermes's way of giving a nod to a more contemporary design and look. It's got a little bit of an edge to them, a little more modern compared to some of their other designs. They do still have that classic H on the top front there, but it's got this beautiful ankle strap. Can I just say, when I tried these sandals on, these were recommended to me by one of my subscribers, so thank you so much. It was Araceli who recommended them. I have to say they are so comfortable. What I like about them is if you're looking for a little bit of height, but you want that platform look, which I really like having the option of, this offers just that. It's a leather option. They do come in a suede option in a multitude of different colors. Got as my true to size 37, and they fit perfectly. Tried them on in the store. I was a little unsure of whether or not they were going to run small, but I have to say, unlike Chanel, Hermes's shoes do run pretty consistent and pretty true to size. I've not had an issue of having to size up or down with any of their shoes. I don't think I've sized up or down on any of their shoes. They're so funky and cool and edgy, and they just offer something different. I debated what color to get them in, and I opted for the leather simply because I didn't want to have to deal with the risk of having to, you know, getting them dirty with the suede. Although I do have the suede in the chypres, and they're a light color, so that in and of itself is stressful because I already have the material down here that I have to worry about. I didn't want to also have to worry about the top, and I like the contrast. My SA actually recommended this color over the other colors that I was trying on because of that contrast. I think it offers a really cool look, and it kind of softens the black on them. I think it's really classic. I think they're going to be gorgeous. Again, I don't know if I'll be traveling with these to Paris because I think it'll be kind of heavy and take up a lot of room, and I don't want them getting smushed in our luggage, but I will be very quickly wearing them. We're going to put the ribbon back in. Stick with me until the end because I do have a surprise unboxing from Hermes as well. Just a third surprise piece that I haven't mentioned already. Let's unbox the second item. Open up that ribbon. Now these I'm really, really excited about. Look how cute. These are the Santorini sandals in the pale pastel pink color. Guys, look at how beautiful this color is. I saw them online, and I have to say I originally saw the pastel blue and I was immediately drawn to them. Don't be surprised if they show up in my collection. I opted for the pink because one, it complements me better. It's got a little more of a warmer undertone, and I just feel like I'll get more wear out of them than the blue. I love them all. And these are another pair of sandals that I've heard from so many people that they are so comfortable. So I was really, really excited to add these to my collection. This is Hermes's Santorini sandal. It is a play on the original Oran sandals. It's got the same shape and design. The only difference here is that it's got this ankle strap, but I will say, for those of you that have complained about the Orans and the Orans being very uncomfortable, particularly in this area, these are much softer for some reason. The design of this sandal is so much different, so much better in my opinion. I own 2 pairs of Orans, and while I love my Orans and I'll never give them up, they are a little uncomfortable and they do require a lot of time to break in. They're not a sandal I would recommend walking in for very long. The leather tends to be a little bit harder. It does kind of cut into your skin, and I have gotten blisters from wearing them, but these seem very promising. I'm very excited. I tried them on in the store. There was another lady who was also trying on shoes, and she was mentioning how much she loved this color as well. And I just think accessories are a way to really dress up your outfit and play around with stuff you may already have without having to buy new clothes. A lot of my clothes tends to be more on the neutral side, so I find that dressing up my outfits with some fun accessories, like I said, shoes, handbags, jewelry, adds a nice little fun pop of color. And I think this will pair really well with a beautiful scarf or a beautiful twilly. So I'm really, really looking forward to styling these. They can be dressed up or down. They can be made to look a little more elevated, yet a little more casual. I think they're going to be great as a daytime sandal or nighttime sandal. Either way, really excited to have these. I love the color that I got. I waited so long to get the Santorinis because I debated on the color. I had a really hard time choosing which color to go for, but as you can see, I am loving, loving pink this season. I even have pink nails, and I think I'm just going to start to invest in a little more pink. Pink is just such a fun color, and a pastel pink is very understated, but it's got that pinch of femininity, and just, it's very pretty. It's very spring. It's a happy color. Another color I'm also loving for the spring and summer is pastel blue as well as pastel yellow. I actually have yellow on my toes, so my pedicure has yellow right now. So these are all colors that I'm really, really loving for the season, and I will probably start investing in more of these colors. In fact, the Chanel ballerinas that I picked up, and again, it's in that other video, are pink. So fun. Now, the last piece was a little bit of a surprise. I wasn't originally planning on picking this up, but this I might be bringing with me to Paris. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is a piece that I have been wanting to incorporate for quite some time, but again, just not knowing what color, what variety, what pattern. I think some of you can all guess what this might be. Let's open it. This is so pretty that they offer this on the inside. So the inside says, to clean your Hermes scarves, we advise you to have them dry cleaned, and please remember that printed silk can be damaged by rain. I love that they have that there. If you don't already follow Abigail Goodman on Instagram, she is sort of an Hermes scarf expert, and she talks about how to clean them, care for them. She sells pre-loved scarves. And what my essay explained to me about Hermes scarves is that once they make them and once that design and print is gone, that's it. They don't make them anymore. So each scarf is very unique. It's not like they reprint the same thing over and over again. They don't mass produce their prints. So once you get something, it's going to be very unique. Before I open it, just wanted to give you a little bit of story. So again, I had a hard time choosing a scarf. Originally, I was going to opt for a winter scarf, one of their cashmere stole, but I held out because I don't know. When I envisioned having an Hermes scarf, I envisioned one of their silk scarves, just because you can wear it a multitude of different ways. You can wear it as a head wrap, around the neck, belt. Some people have gone so far, depending on the size, to wear it as a top or a cover up or sarong. So I wanted that versatility. To me, it's just the epitome of Hermes, is that classic silk scarf that you see in the movies. It's just classic Hermes. So for that reason, I wanted a classic Hermes color. And look at what I got. Look at how beautiful. This is a 100% silk size 90 scarf. Look at the detail there. It is just divine. An absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous scarf. It's called La Ligne Coupe de Fouette. I'm probably butchering the way you say it. The color that I got, the cream terracotta orange. And as per their website, this iconic Hermes piece embodies the essence of powerful beauty and charismatic femininity. The 90s scarf symbolizes the boundless freedom of constantly renewed creation, unlimited emotion, and the unique expression of a personal narrative waiting to be written. All scarves are made in France. This one was designed by Pierre-Marie. The dimensions are 34.8 inches by 34.8 inches. The scarf is hand rolled and the dimensions indicated may vary. They do come in 5 total colors. The retail price is $590. They do recommend dry cleaning the scarf, and you can wear it a multitude of different ways. And there is the scarf's name right here. The colors to me are just classic Hermes. When I think of Hermes, I think of the caramel brown, I think of that pop of orange, the gold, the yellow, the cream. To me, it's just classic Hermes, and I cannot wait to wear this scarf. On the website, it does show the model wearing it as a head wrap, which I love. My essay told me about an app that Hermes has called Silk Knots, and on the Silk Knots app, if you download it, it will actually give you a tutorial on how to wear the different scarves. Select the different multitude of ways of how to wear them. I'm just going to do a quick see. I mean, just pairing it like this with any outfit. I picture it with gold orans, my white orans. I would even wear them with my pink Santorinis. Just looks so beautiful. It instantly elevates an outfit. I can't wait to play around with the scarf and see which way that I prefer to wear it in. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below so that you never miss a video. I really, really appreciate it. And go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram as well, where I do try to post daily, including outfits I'm wearing, things I'm doing, daily tidbits. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, bye!